Hello and welcome to another trading week. Natgas market has opened again and it starts green into the new trading week, at least at the moment. We dealt in the last video and last few videos with this particular structure. First of all, for everybody who's new, I'm not gonna go too much into the structure and do a deep dive, but we just wanna take a look at overall the structure. The assumption is still that we're in a pretty boring ABC flat structure, which is a wave 4 at the moment, which could go a little higher. That's the expectation. And eventually we should see one more low on the Natgas chart. That's currently the base case. Yeah, that's my base case. Basically due to this strong B wave to the downside, and then a corrective looking sideways structure, which I consider to be an ending diagonal. So we have an A wave, we have a B wave, and the C wave is the ending diagonal, which is a wave structure that consists in this case of 5 waves, and each of these 5 waves consists of an ABC structure. So the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, the wave 2 as well, the wave 3, and I haven't called it out on all the subwaves, but the wave 3 is a huge ABC as it seems. A wave top tier in June, B wave down, and now the C wave to the upside, which ideally is a 5-wave move. That's the wave structure we're dealing with at the moment. And we're now exploring, okay, within this C wave of the third wave, has actually has the C wave actually started? And we really only get clarity if we see a 1-2 setup. That's what we see at the moment on the chart, and if we see that the support is holding. So that's what we're looking at in this video. Bigger picture price should still go higher, make or break point, which would lead to probably further downside, is $2.45. This would invalidate this 1-2 structure and would delay everything. A break below the trend line would likely send us down to $2.14, and below $2.14 I think this idea of an ending diagonal has to be scrapped, and then we have to assume that maybe a top is already in this wave 4, and that we go down more directly. At the moment, looking at this structure here, I go to the 1-hour chart. We said in the previous videos that we had a pretty nice 5-wave move actually to the upside. Okay, it's not that nice, but it is a 5-wave move. It can be countered impulsively. And the move down was a 3-wave move. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And it needed to hold here, in the worst case, or in a more extreme case, the 88.7 fib level. Ideally, it would have turned around at 78.6 fib level, but certainly 88.7 is the last fib level. And we talked about it only on Friday, or was it Saturday, when I made the last Natgas video, and I said, it really needs to start in the green on Monday, and ideally it does a bit of a gap to the upside, or at least it turns around there. Turns around basically because we don't want a break below 252. So far it's holding support, but it would need to break above the last swing high to really give us an indication that a low is in. That would be the $2.67 level. That's the next target for the bulls, and then we need to break above the B wave high at 286. To really indicate that this is a 1-2 setup and the third wave is in the making. Target for the third wave, I mean, we talk here about ideal targets, yeah. The 1.618 extension, $3.43. But the condition is that the Friday low is holding. And below that, I only have that make or break point left for this structure at 246. That's basically it at the moment. We really need to see if this structure is holding. 252 is the last fib level on the scale here, and obviously we don't really have a lot of data yet for this week, but it seems to go the right way. But don't forget, it needs to really take out the last swing high here at around $2.67, and then we could get quite a positive week if it follows through. But if it breaks, then this wedge pattern will extend, or not the wedge pattern, this trend channel will extend, will be probably further sideways action for a while, but then we need to pay attention to the trend line and the $2.14 level. That's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.